Hello and welcome to Colin's Yarn Magic. This week's stitch is the beautifully basic wave rib stitch. As you can see, it gives you these lovely waves running across. The chain multiple is 5 plus 3. However, this one's really good for a scarf. You do need to chain your length first, so multiples of 5 plus 3 at the end. But that means that the ribs run like if you were wearing a scarf. It's really, really nice. So, like I say, your multiples are 5 plus 3. I'm using the yarn under technique. If you want these ribs slightly further apart, just use yarn over throughout this whole pattern. But I'm going to be using yarn under, but the repeat will be the same regardless. Okay, so with your multiples of 5 plus 3, then we'll begin. Okay, so we're beginning in the second chain from our hook with a single crochet. I'm using the yarn under technique. Like I say, you can use yarn over. Skip 1. Now, this pattern is made over 3 stitches. Into the first stitch, it's 1 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. That's your repeat across. Okay, at the beginning and the end, we just chain 1. The rest of the time we chain 2. So skip 1 into this stitch, work a single crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to do 3 half double crochets. Again, I'm going to show you how to do the yarn under half double crochet. So yarn over first, then go into the stitch, then yarn under and pull a loop through. When you've got 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over into the stitch, yarn under and pull your loop up. Yarn over and through all 3. Last half double crochet, and then to end your sequence with 1 single crochet. Skip 2, and then over the next 3 stitches do your repeat. 1 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and the third, and then 1 single crochet. Skip 2. Over your next 3 stitches do your repeat. 1, 3, 1. Do that repeat across your row. At the end, stop and we'll continue on to your next row together. So 1 into your next 3 half doubles, 1, skip 2. Okay, so I'm just on my last little shell here, working my 3 half doubles in the middle stitch. 1, 2, and 3. 1 single crochet, and then we do the opposite from what we did at the beginning by skipping 1 and ending with a single crochet. Okay, you can chain 1 and turn, or just turn. If you do a chain 1, you'll have an extra little bump at the side, or just turn your work and then into your first stitch, through both parts of the stitch, work a single crochet. Skip 1. Now here's the 3 half double crochets from the previous row, but now you have a third loop. So you have your V and a third loop. The repeat for this row, row 2, is 1 single crochet, 3 single crochets, 1 single crochet. So it's just singles on this return pass. Into that third loop, yarn under single crochet or yarn over, and then in the middle stitch work 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And that last one, 1 single crochet. Skip 2, 1, 2. Here's your next 3 half doubles. 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet. Skip 2 and repeat that across, and I'll get you here. So into your skip 2 and begin. 1, 3, 1 single crochet only, and I'll get you at the end. Okay, so I'm just on my last cluster of 3 single crochet into the last 1 single in that third loop, then skip 1 and through both parts of the loop, so you'll have a V, you'll have a V single crochet. And now we're going to repeat those 2 rows again. So you begin with a single crochet, skip 1, and here's your next 3 stitches. So when you're working your half double crochet row, you are working through both parts. So single crochet 1, in the next 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, and the third half double, and then 1 single crochet. Skip 2 and repeat. 1, 2 over your next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet, 3 half double crochets, 1 single crochet across the row, and I'll get you at the end. So 1, 3 and 1. And then at the end of the row, skip 1 and work 1 single crochet. Turn your work, chain 1 or however you're starting this row. I'm just doing a foundation single crochet, skip 1, and then in the third loop only, it's 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, sorry. 1, 2, and the third single crochet, and then skip 2, repeat, skip 2, 1, 3, 1, and that's those 2 rows done. And like I say, if you did where you do your length first, you only have to do a few rows really to get the pattern finished, but it does obviously take you much longer. And if you're losing count as you go, it might be easier to count in tens. That'll work as well. Okay, so that was the wave rib stitch. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.